Yeah, welcome to partial fractions. Partial fractions, seventh. In this, the last class we have seen the partial fraction. There are three types. The type one means denominator degree is more than the numerator degree. Type one. Type two, denominator degree is equal to numerator degree. The type three, we are going to hear denominator degree is less than the numerator degree. It means the numerator degree is more than the denominator degree. Still, the last class we discussed type 1 only. Today also we'll go for only type 1 problems. Possible, we'll enter into the type 2 also for today's session. When you are splitting the terms, either type 1 or type 2 or type 3, there are standard procedures is there. How you can write A by something, how you can write B by something, how you can write, where you can write BX plus D situations, BX plus C situations. Those are the different kind of models. Yesterday we are already shown. If anything else, when you're doing the problem, please go to that those standard models, how I was opened, how to follow the rules and regulations, then you come to the problems. Then come to here. Yesterday, our discussion is seventh year we started. In the seventh year, first bit is finished. First bit there are two questions. The second bit also, first bit we have two questions is finished yesterday only. Then second bit we went off. Uh, First question, second, third also over. Then we are entered fourth question. I think fourth question, second bit, I was given the homework. I think so. The
Yes.
this fourth one, second bit, fourth one. The question is 2x plus 3 by x minus 1 whole cube.
So
This is the
you
question.
said another method is there
Yeah, yeah,
for
yeah, yeah,
this
yeah.
whole cube.
Yeah, that I will explain. Actually, according to I told you procedure a by x plus 1, x minus 1, b by x minus 1 whole square. According to our standard procedure, c by
Yes, sir.
minus 1 whole cube. I think yesterday discussion already done. 2x plus 3 is equal to, we can write, take a common 2 into x minus 1 whole square, b into x
B
minus
into
1
X man.
plus c. That's all. Okay. This is the denominators all there, or these denominators all going to be cancelled. Okay.
Yes,
This
sir.
is going to cancel. I don't want touch denominators. So after this, general, the people might have a doubt actually, what are the number I should substitute to get my answers? We have to get an idea. Don't take any blind values. Here, if I take x is equal to minus 1 or x equal to 1, this is going to be 0. This part is going to be 0. Then you have a chance you get a c value. So here also you can say if you take x equal to x equal to 1, you may cancel one value. This value is all going to cancel. You may get another value. So, or you can say here also, or you can say from this, we can get an idea what value I substitute x is equal to. Is there any possibility to substitute value both side I get a value? You have to understand. Let us I'll take here x minus 1, x minus 1. Here it is not. If I take x is equal to 1, this is become 0. This is become. I am a chance to get c value. Am I clear? That is what I am taking x
Yes.
is equal to 1 on both sides. So what is that? 2 into 1 plus 3 is equal to a into 0, then b into 0 plus c value. So answer directly connect c is equal to 5. So,
Yes, sir.
but you are not supposed to get what other values of a and b we cannot get directly by substituting number of numbers. We cannot expect actually. So there is no possibility to do like this. So next for finding a b values, there is no option. It has to open both sides. So 2x plus 3 is equal to a times of like x square plus 1 a square plus b square minus 2ab plus b into x minus 1 plus c. After this, you has to go 2x plus 3 is equal to ax square minus 2ax plus a plus bx minus b plus c. Am I clear?
Yes,
After
sir.
this, when you're comparing x square coefficients, x square quotient means nothing is there. You can write 0 into x square plus like this. So you can write 0 is equal to x square quotient means a. So value of a is equal to 0. Answer a you got. Already c value you all got. Next, if you take x coefficients means what you're going to get. X quotient means here 2. So 2 is equal to here x quotient minus 2a b and minus 2a plus b. So already you know a is equal to value 0. So once you substitute a is equal to 0, answer b is equal to what? 2b. So you got a is equal to 0, b is equal to 2, c is equal to 5. All answers you got. After getting this all answers, you substitute please here, you'll get answer. Answer is final. Okay.
Yes, sir.
Examination, don't forget, don't leave here. Once you leave here, your answer it should not be completed. You has to enter all values, you write it down clearly. Then your duty is completed. Otherwise, it is not answer is completed. So mind it out. Okay. Fourth one is like this only. So as like similarly, the fifth one also we can do the same procedure. What is fifth one? Uh, 1 minute. So x square minus 2x plus 6 by x minus 2 whole power 3. So similarly we can do it out. Nothing wrong in that. You'll get answer. I told you yesterday we have an alternate method to do only single function. The power is something else. Only single function, not like that. Example, I'll write. I'll take a previous question. It is a fourth question. 2x plus 3 by what is this here? X minus 1 whole cube. Like this should question should be it's okay. I can other method, or else something it is there. I can't apply other method. We can go regular method only. If it is there some other value x 2x plus 3 by some other x minus 1 whole power 10 also no problem. We can do it out. Am I clear? Right? So I told you yesterday we have alternate method when only one function is there, the power something else, nothing bother about that. We can apply that method. Okay. What is the method? Alternate method that I'll try to explain for you. Let us I'll take a fourth question for alternate method. So you can apply for alternate method for fifth question also. 2x by 3 x minus 1 whole cube. Okay, this is a question here. So how to do this alternate method? It was very simple. How can you do this question? So I'm trying to explain here. When regularly this method I can apply. Whenever single function power should be more than 2, it's better. If it is here, it
Yes,
is
sir.
your value is 10 is there. If value is 10, how much time will take? A by x minus 1, b by x minus 1 whole square, c by x minus 1 whole cube. It's keep on till 10 you have to do. So taking LCM doing work, it will take a lot of time. So such a highest power, this alternate method will save your valuable time. Now I'm doing the fourth question method 2. So method 2, simple what you has to do is denominator is there x minus 1. So assumption x minus 1 is equal to y. X minus 1 is equal to y. Next, what can I write? X is equal to what can I write? Y plus 1. The total question in terms of x, I was converted into in terms of y for my convenient. Let us please substitute the values of here in terms of y. So what can I write in the numerator? 2 times of y plus 1 plus 3 by y cube. Okay? Because x minus 1 is equal to y. Next, what can I write? 2y plus 2 plus 5 by y cube. 2y plus 2 plus 3. Okay. So okay, right? No problem. Now what can I write? 2y plus 5 by y cube. Still now till now any problem? Clear, right? Just I wrote
Yes,
the
sir.
question. Now what can I write? Can I write 2y by y cube plus 5 by y cube? Do you have any problem? Why this cancel? What is the final answer I can write? 2 by plus 5 by y cube. Till clear? Next, directly I'll write a final answer. This question is equal to 2 by y square. But what is equal to y value? Y is equal to what? X minus 1 whole square plus 5 by, right? Answer you got right, required way. Now check the answer, your answer going to be same only. Am I clear? It's because previous a is equal to 0, right? 0 by x minus 1, b by x minus 2, c by x minus a whole cube. Same answer you got. Am I clear, right? How
Yes,
this
sir.
method is very simple. When the things are should be like this. Single will be there, it's applicable. If it is multiple is there, x plus some other value 5, it cannot be possible. You can go regular procedure only. Clear?
Yes, sir.
Yeah. Which one? Always x minus 1 only.
Same.
X minus 1 is equal to y. There is no x minus 2. Question. X minus 1, fourth question. I'm telling fourth question only. It's not fifth one. Okay. Next, we switch on to the fifth question. Now, fifth question is simple, same like x square minus 2x plus 6 by x minus 2 whole cube nana. So what can you do here? Method 2 you can do directly. Don't need to go for method 1 also. What can you do? X minus 2 is equal to y. Similarly, x is equal to y plus 2. Am I clear? Please
Yes,
substitute
sir.
over here. Y plus 2 whole square, 2 times of y plus 2 plus 6 by y cube. Top open again. Y square plus 2y plus 4 minus 2y minus 4 plus 6 by y cube. What is here? Y square plus 2y minus 2y cancel. Am I clear? Still any pending?
Yes, sir.
Cancel, right? Plus
Yes,
2y
sir.
minus 2y. Here it is 4y, I think so. 2 2 ja 4, right? A plus b whole square. A square plus b square plus 2ab. 2 to it's 4y, not 2y. It is 4y. 4y, 2y. What is the resultant? Plus 2y. Plus 4. Here it is plus 6. Plus 4 minus 4 plus 6. Cancel. Answer is plus 6 only. Minus 4 plus 4 cancel here. So plus 6 by y cube. What can I write next step? Y square by y cube. 2y by y cube. 6 by y cube. So what can I write next step? Final step? 1 by y. 2 by y square plus 6 by y cube. Just you substitute what is the value of your y in terms of x. X minus 2. 2 by x minus 2 whole square plus 6 by x minus 2 whole cube. How the method is very simple. Only single term is there. Then you can do it. Okay.
Yes, sir.
Right. This is one of the easiest method. You can do it out. Next, I am going to the third bit. Next, third bit. I am trying to go for fifth problem and sixth problem. Directly fifth after sixth, I'll come to the previous one. Go to the fifth problem, third bit. Same question, third bit. What is the question here? Fifth one. Fifth question.
Yes, sir. X square plus 5x plus 7 by x minus 3 whole cube.
X minus 3 whole cube. Same thing here. Y is equal to x minus 3. X is equal to y plus 3. Please proceed as like previous problem.
Yes, sir.
Next sixth model, 3x cube minus 8x square plus 10 by x minus whole power 4. Here you can take x minus 1 is equal to y, x is equal to y plus 1. Please proceed as like a previous model.
Okay,
Okay,
sir.
those two questions is finished now only. Okay, now I'm trying to go for a third bit first question now. As like a sequence, you'll go for third bit first question. The third bit first question is what? X square minus x plus 1 by x plus 1 into x minus 1 whole square. Being a toppers, I can write only the hints. What can I write? A by x plus 1, b by x minus 1, c by
Plus c by
x
x
minus 1
minus 1 whole
whole
square.
square. Please take an LCM directly. I'm not writing a denominator. This you can write x minus 1 whole square. This I'll get x plus 1. This I'll get x plus 1 into x minus 1. Okay, not x minus 1 whole square will come, right?
Yes, sir.
This is
Yes.
x plus 1 into x plus 1. Already is there. X minus whole square will come. Here x minus 1 is there. X plus 1 is x minus 1. One more will come. Here it should not come. Okay. LCM is x plus 1 into x minus 1 whole square LCM. X plus 1 into x minus 1 whole square LCM. Am I clear, right?
Yes, sir.
This is cancel. Here x plus 1 is available. X plus 1 is available. So what is not available? X minus 1 whole square is not available. Here x minus 1 is available. X plus 1, x minus not 1 available. That is out here. Here x minus 1 whole square is available. X plus 1 is not available. Okay. That is why I wrote. Still clear? So
Yes, sir.
after this, the take it is a granted question here. What can you substitute? X is equal to 1, you substitute. This you cancel, this is cancel. You'll get C value. So x is equal to 1, you will get value of C. Next, x is equal to minus 1 you take. X is equal to minus 1 you take. C gone. B gone, you'll get value of A. Okay. After this, you want to find out B value. There is no alternate option. You has to open the terms, compare x square quotient, x cube, x quotient constants, then do it out. Rest of the things, because already you know AC value, the relation which you related to B value, you can get it out. Am I clear? Any doubt?
Yes, sir.
Clear, Radha?
No, sir.
Yeah. It's next.
Yes, sir.
Second one I'm moving. Uh, because this is already known means I don't want to waste your time. X plus 2 whole square. Toppers, let's start work here. A by x minus
A
1.
by x minus 1 plus b by x plus 2 plus c by x plus 2 whole square.
So 9 is equal to a times of x
Yes.
plus 2 whole square, b times of x minus 1 into x plus 2, c times of x minus 1. Still clear, right? Or do not write all
Yes.
these things. Once you take x is equal to 1, this is gone, this is gone, you'll get a value. Next, x is equal to minus 2, substitute. This is gone. This is what is there? X minus 1, right? This is gone. This will get C value. For
Yes,
B,
sir.
open that all terms, compare quotients. Okay.
Yes.
Right. Now I'm going to third question. I'm going little fast. Try to catch me. If
Yes,
anything
sir.
else, please let us know. 1 by 2x whole square, 1 by 3x. So toppers, please open here. A by 1 minus 2x.
1 minus 2x plus b by 1 minus 2x whole square
Good.
plus c
B
by
by
1
1
minus
minus.
3x.
Please take LCM. A is equal to a times of 1 minus 2x into 1 minus 3x plus b by 1 minus 2x whole square is available 1 minus 3x. So c by 1 minus 3x available 1 minus 2x whole square. Okay. Denominator I don't
Yes,
want,
sir.
right? Already cancellation is done from my side. So all is out. Next I substitute x is equal to 1 by 2 I substitute. So 1 by 2 1 by 2 1 will come. So x is equal to 1 by 2 I substitute. This is gone. This is gone. You get value
Yes,
of
sir.
b. Next
Yes,
x
sir.
is equal to 1 by 2 1 by 2. Next possible x equal to 1 by 3. X equal to 1 by 3 means this is gone. This is gone. You will get value of c.
C. Yes, sir.
For a, open the terms, do your job, compare quotients.
Yes, sir.
Hello. Can I move to
Yes,
fourth one?
sir. Yes. Yes, sir.
Yeah. Fourth one, 1 by x cube into x plus a. So for this,
A by x plus a
Mr. Metlan writes for a by x plus a mundu
yes, sir.
rasi after b by
Plus b
x,
by x
c by
plus
x
c by
square,
x square plus d by
x
x
cube.
cube.
So 1 is equal to a into x cube, b into x plus a into x square plus c into x plus a into x plus d into x plus a only. Okay, x cube is available. Denominator I don't want to write here. Here the first thing is x is equal to minus a, substitute. Possibility is there. Minus a means this is gone, this is gone, this is gone. You will get value of a. Next, x is equal to 0, you substitute. This is gone, this is gone, this is gone. This should not gone. You will get value of d. For remaining BC, compare, open and compare the quotient, you will get answers. By making a relation, this value substitute and do it out. You will get answers, should be simple. Clear?
Yes, sir.
Yeah.
Clear.
For this next question number 5 and question number 6, I was already done. 5, 6 is already
Yes,
I
sir.
was explained. So second bit is finished. So third bit is finished
7b.
completely. Your exercise 7A is gone. Now we are going to
Yes, sir.
7th B now. So here the 7th B, it is some little latest extension here. Same models, some extension is available. Let us, I'll take a first question here. 7th B, I'll take first question. What is the question number 1? 2x square
2x square plus
plus 1
3x plus 4
by,
by x minus 1 into x square plus 2.
yeah. This is the models are very important. What can I write this? Open a by x minus 1 X, don't write b by, this is a power 2. So how to write bx plus c by x
Yes.
square plus 2. Please be remember. This is order 1. I wrote only
Yes.
a. Order 2 means you'll get 2. Bx plus c like this. So this is common. After this, the duty is same. Take LCM. A into x square plus 2. Bx plus c. Very, very important. Bx plus c into x minus 1. Denominator gone. Next, what you has to do is here. For this, is possibilities are x is equal to 1. X is equal to 1. If you substitute x is equal to 1, this portion going to be gone. You'll get value of a. Okay. But there is no alternate option. X is equal to minus 2. You cannot keep x is equal to minus 2. It is not make it 0. So here there is no possibility to find directly value of b. Only a value get. So for finding b value, c value, there is no alternate option. We have to open, compare quotients. You'll get answers. BC. When you're doing your relations, ABC will come. Please substitute a value. Then only the equation will become easy for you. Okay, clear?
Yes, sir.
Anything else, please let us know immediately. Okay? Clear? Can I move to next question?
Yes, sir.
Second one is 3x minus 1 by 1 minus x plus x square into x plus 2. It's very simple question here. What can I do? This is a second order equation here. So I can write directly ax plus b by 1 minus x plus x square plus c by x plus 2. Okay? So same thing here, 3x minus 1 is equal to ax plus b into, I am taking an LCM here, to 1 minus x plus x square here. Denominator gone. Next case, here possibility is there, x is equal to minus 2. Minus 2 means this is going to gone. You'll get value of c. X is equal to minus 2, you'll get value of c. But you don't have an option to get AB values. That is what, the same thing. Open both sides, compare quotients, you'll get value of A and B. When C value is there, please substitute value of C here. Equations become simple. Clear?
Yes, sir.
Thank you.
Yes, sir.
Next, I'm going to the question number 3. Question number 3 is x square cube by x plus 2 into x square plus 1. This I can write A by x plus 2, x square plus 1. What can you write? Bx plus c by
Bx plus c by
x square
x
plus
square
1.
plus
1. So next, x square plus 3 into a times of x square plus 1, bx plus c into x plus 2. Okay, denominators are gone.
yes, sir.
So next case here, what he has to do? Possibility is there, x equal to minus 2. So x equal to minus 2 means this is gone. You'll get this answer. So value of a you are going to get. Okay, but you are going to get value of b and c. It is not possible. Please open the terms. Compare quotients, you'll get value of b and c. Clear?
Yes.
Yeah, let us finish. Next, I am going to fourth question. Fourth question means x square plus 1 by x square plus x plus 1. It is whole square. So this is little important. Inside it is a second order. You are going to get ax plus b by x square plus x plus 1. Square is the right. You have to write one more. So that is cx plus d. That is also second order. X square plus x plus 1 whole square. Am I clear? It previous x square means a by x, b by
Yes,
x square. Here it is the inside second order. That's why I wrote second order ax plus b, 3x plus d. He has a different quotients. Okay. Then next, what he has to do? Take LCM. X square plus 1 into ax plus b into this value. X square plus x plus 1, cx plus d. There is no alternate option. This you multiply because already it is there. Still clear? Okay.
yes,
After
sir.
this, here we don't have any option to substitute x equal to 0, something else, x equal to 1 substituted. There is no alternate option here. Okay, now even if it is x equal to 0, you substitute, it is not possible. B plus D will come. So there is no alternate option. Definitely has to open both sides. Compare, highest order will come. I think if it is x cube will come, x cube, x square, x and 1. Okay. Constant quotients. One means constant quotients. Like this, you can do it out. You will get it out. Answer. Okay. If it
Yes,
is
sir.
not clear, tomorrow I'll explain. No problem. It is yeah, basic problems. You can working on that. Nothing wrong in that.
Yes.
Next, try to go for fifth question here. Fifth question means x cube plus x square plus 1 by x minus 1 into x cube minus 1, which is a little important. This is a previously this question is came examinations. So this question, x power 3 is there, right? I can write a cube minus b cube. So what can that question remodification? Uh, x minus 1 already there. A cube minus b cube means what is the formula? A cube minus b cube. A minus b into a square
A
plus
plus
ab plus b square. A cube minus b cube means a minus b, a square plus ab plus b square. This is the question now. This question,
yes,
how can you open? So what can you write this question?
A by
Re-question. Re-question,
A
remodification. X
by
square plus x
A.
square plus
Okay.
1 by x minus 1 to x minus 1. X minus 1 whole square into x square plus x
X
plus
square.
1. Repeated means don't write a by the b by. We have repetition is there, you can
Yes.
write, rewrite. Now you should apply a by
A
x
by
minus
X
1.
minus 1 plus B by X minus 1 whole square
Good.
plus
Next,
dx plus dx plus E by
c x plus
X
d because the order is c.
CX. Yes, sorry. CX plus D by
d
X
by
square
plus x
plus
plus
X
1.
plus 1.
Okay, still clear?
Yes, sir.
So after this, you might have a chance to get, I'm expecting x equal to 1, you substitute. You'll get one answer. Either A, B, C, I cannot show now. Okay. X equal to 1, you substitute means you'll get an alternate. Others, I'll do it. If we take an LCM, x cube plus x square plus 1, then A times of x minus 1 into x square plus x plus 1, B times of single x square plus x plus 1, plus C x plus D into this is gone means you'll get x minus 1 whole square.
Yes, sir.
So if it is x is equal to 1, you substitute, this is gone, this is gone, you'll get the answer of B.
B.
So for value of A, value of C, value of D, please open, compare quotients, get ACD.
Right as Portugal.
Yes, sir.
Clear?
Yes, sir.
Yes, fifth one is finished. Okay. When you're doing this, our main intention is how you're opening all. These are all. Okay. You'll get value, how I am opening, how I am writing that expansion. Some special questions are there. Those questions you people has to be take care and do it out. Then only you'll get an answer.
Yes.
Otherwise, it is not possible.
Yes, sir.
Okay.
Yes, sir.
Till
Yes,
this,
sir.
the model one is finished today.
Yes, sir.
Up to today, model one is finished.